The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Okay guys, before we even get into today's video, I'm going to do a little giveaway to over... how much should I do? To 100 of you guys, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Now you guys remember when I teamed up with one of my favorite companies, Iceco. They sent me out the fridge that I use when I go camping, and they also sent me out these chairs. Now you guys remember that video when we hopped over to Booby Key and we used those chairs? You guys must remember that. That video got over 500,000 views. I know a lot of you wanted that product and you wanted to have one for yourself. Well, we're giving away 100 of them. So how do you get the product? All you have to do is to subscribe to Iceco's website, and in the last name section, you just put SOAI, and there you have it, man. You are going to get a chair shipped out to you for free if you are on the mainland of the United States of America. If not, sorry guys, you're gonna have to pay for shipment, but the chair would still be free. Now, one of my favorite things about the chair is it is foldable. It is a portable chair, and you guys know a lot of my videos when I go to do the outdoor cooking, or I'm doing camping, or I just want to lounge about on the beach. Having something that is very lightweight that you can throw on your back in the carrying case and take it with you makes your life such a breeze. Now, what I love about the chair, it was super easy to use and super sturdy. And of course, you guys have the options of two colors, black and gray. You guys know if you're in the outdoors and you want something that doesn't really show the dirt and all those adventures that you have partaken in, you probably would go with the black. Or if you just want to chill on the beach, definitely go with the gray. Light color, good for the sun. Now, one of my favorite things about the product is that it actually has pockets for your drink. So if you want to be on the beach sipping your margarita, it's definitely going to be there for you to keep those drinks cool and comfortable. Don't ask me how a drink can be comfortable. You're going to be comfortable. You get the idea. Now, one thing that I love about the product thus far is its durability. I've used it quite a number of times. Different people, different weights. I've been sitting on the chair, girlfriend sitting on my lap, and the chair did not break. That's one thing I love about it. And another important feature is that it is easy to set up. You take it out the bag, fold it out, and then that's that. Guys, remember, this is a giveaway. You are not paying $1 for this, especially if you're in the US. You're gonna get free shipping out to you. All you have to do is just check the information in the description box, subscribe to their website. All the information will be in there, and you guys can get the chance to get one of these cool and awesome gifts. This is a gift from me. I would say probably it's a late Christmas gift, but you guys know better late than never. Oh, Valentine's is around the corner. Get something for your man if he likes the outdoors like myself, and you don't even need to pay for it. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today I'm exceptionally happy because guess what? Today we're gonna have Wode Maya on the channel, and this guy is like super famous here. We've been walking for like 2 minutes and there's already like 3-4 people already saying, yo, Wode Maya. It's ridiculous. I'm super excited to be here. But the greatest part about today's video, you guys know I'm trying to find 10 of the most popular dishes in Ghana, and Wode is going to be the one that's choosing my dish for today. So the place that we're at right now, what's it called? Dimiensa, which means to eat everything. So that's the goal. We need to finish eating everything. All right, Wode, what's happening, my brother?
Nothing much, man. I just have the menu, and I'm gonna pick you my favorite meal. Yeah. And I hope they have it in here. Oh, kako ase. She laughed. Oh, kako.
Jelly, what is like meeting with Wode?
He's a star.
I want fufu and kako because that's my favorite meal. You don't have kako here. Okay, you know what? It's alright, but I still want fufu though. Alright. So yeah, it all depends on you, man.
Whatever you're going with, that's what I will have.
Give him fufu, yeah?
I'm looking at the rice.
What do you have? Fufu with what?
Choose whatever you want to have.
In fufu with goat soup.
And Kelewele.
So they're here helping us, you know, pick the best combination. So the last time I actually had the fufu with goats, but I had a peanut soup with it. This time I'm gonna have the light soup, which is one that's actually on my list. Now let me tell you, we've been hanging for just about 10 minutes time and I've been learning so much. So I never knew that the day that you were born is a special day, which is, for me, it's a Tuesday. And also Wode was born on a Tuesday, which means the name is Kobena, you understand? So there's just so much about the culture that I have to learn. When I mentioned to them that, yo, I'm gonna have to extend my stay, the welcome to, like, especially us as Jamaican people is like so strong. And like I always say to you guys, you don't have to go to America where you have to pay for the visa to come to Ghana. It is completely free.
Ghana is your home.
Exactly.
Yeah, all Jamaicans are Ghanaians.
Exactly.
I mean, there's nothing to discuss, nothing to talk about. Exactly. You are back home. Here is your home.
And whenever you're coming back home, know that you don't need visa to come back home.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, I thought you were done. That's what I ordered for him.
Go back to your motherland.
The fufu with
Exactly.
Yeah. So say it to them.
meat
Tell
and
your
light
people,
soup.
look, I'm in Ghana. I came to meet
like
Kweku.
granite soup.
Yeah.
Kweku is here because he's a Wednesday born. And you are Wode Maya coming out because you are Tuesday born. And we have an angel.
I'm a warrior.
Yeah, Santoa.
Yeah, Santoa. That's a Thursday born.
Ah, nice. All right, so Wode mentioned to me that this place, this is the first time you're coming here, right?
My first time.
Very first time. So if you are coming to Ghana and you are looking for more of a hip kind of eatery where you get all the local or traditional foods.
It's really authentic in here because the prices are okay. Because some of the restaurants that you go, even though they are selling local meal, but it's so expensive. But it looks a bit fancy, but the price that I'm seeing here is...
What I like about it the most, even though it looks a little bit fancy, it kind of has a chop bar kind of feel.
Exactly.
So it still has the same kind of benches, it's still the same kind of openness. But yeah, I like that. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
No, she babe. Okay.
She's not gonna eat with her hands. No, you're not gonna eat with your hands. So you can wash it, but your food is not with your hands. Yeah.
Oh, your food is different. Oh, come on. You ordered the rice.
I wanted to taste the Jollof rice.
Oh yeah, jollof rice. All right.
This is what I ordered, or this is what they ordered for me?
Okay, so everyone went with the mojito, aka Mexico, and I go with the malt. I love malt. Okay, so I've never had a chance to really have a Ghanaian drink as yet. What's your favorite Ghanaian or even African drink?
Oh, okay, no worries. I'll come. You want me to go there or? Sorry.
No problem.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, what's your favorite African drink or Ghanaian drink?
Palm wine, man.
Palm wine?
I go for palm wine all day.
All right.
I wanted to join you, but I don't know.
So you can take this one.
No, what? Is that, where's the... That's not my soup, man.
Which one is this?
This is like...
What's the light?
I thought I ordered like granite soup. One light soup, one granite soup.
What you ordered for?
Palm nut soup.
So he bought.
This palm. Okay.
What dish is that?
That's the peanut butter soup.
Ah, and that's tilapia?
Yeah.
Jilly, what did you get?
I want tilapia.
It's beef and some jollof.
Jollof, Kelewele, and that's eggs.
So you can pour the soup and then you can get your stuff.
Okay. What are you eating the fufu with?
I just love these clay pots that they bring with it. So I have here today a light soup and goat. Wait, do I see fish? Is this a herring or tilapia? Yeah. So it's goats and some fish and a light soup. What exactly is a light soup? Why do they call it light soup?
Light soup. Light soup. First of all, because it's light, but it's made with just tomatoes, onion, and pepper, right?
Okay.
So, but tomatoes, onion, garlic, you know, but it's light soup because it's light.
Got you.
Yeah, but something like this, the same format, but this one has peanuts in it, like granite paste.
I like that one.
Exactly.
So I realized with this place, they give you the fufu separate. The last place we went, it was together.
Together. You know, basically, growing up from the village, this kind of food is for your mom and dad.
Oh.
So when they give your mom's food, this is how it looks. Your dad's food, they always add 2 pieces. Yeah, so I think maybe they are treating you like a dad in here.
And what do you have in here, boss? Same thing. You eating that
palm
soup?
nut. Palm nut soup.
Palm nut
So
soup.
it's the same formula with palm nut, cooked palm nuts in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
so this tilapia, this is a goat meat, and I've been served like a dad.
So this is your favorite?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
And that's my least favorite.
That's your least favorite. How is it, babe?
What are you eating?
How's this jollof? Is it better than the place?
Better than the, yeah, much better.
Nice.
All right, so I have mine like that's food. So I will pour. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna try to compare what restaurant possibly tasted better. Because even though it's the same traditional cooking, I'm sure there's like a good spot. For you so far, would you say that this place has good food?
I think so. It's my first time in here.
First time here?
So far, what I'm seeing is very authentic.
Very authentic.
I mean, like, you hardly see restaurants in Ghana serving you in a local pot.
Yeah.
It rarely happens. So, I mean, my first time here, first impression, I think they're really representing the Ghanaian culture. But for
Nice.
food, unless I finish. Okay, good. I need to get some camera. Don't do that. Otherwise, I'll slap you, bro.
It's on camera. What should I do?
Yeah, I'll slap you. The way he's cooking. Is it so?
Okay.
There's a way, you know, scissors, yeah? So
Yeah.
go for the scissors style. Put that one down.
Yeah.
If you ever eat with your mom, if you ever eat with your mom,
Yeah.
and it eats like that, it'll slap you.
Why?
So, yeah, because that's not table manners.
Okay.
Okay,
What's it?
good. So you see scissors, yeah?
Yeah.
Go straight into the food.
Yeah, so cut.
Yeah, just and then cut it.
Ah.
You cut like scissors, you know.
Okay.
Great. And then if it's big, and then just dip it in the soup.
Yeah.
That's too big. I don't know if you can swallow that. Right?
I will try.
Okay, dip it into the soup.
Yeah.
And then straight. You gotta swallow it.
You have to swallow it.
No, give me the other cover. You gotta. I wanna make sure you get that on cover.
Okay, so
Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay, great. Okay. Dip into it. Yes. Swallow it.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's different.
Yeah.
Okay, scissors.
No, you don't chew it.
No, oh.
You don't
Not
chew
at
it.
all. So
Scissors.
you have to swallow. So that's why the soup is there. So the job of the soup is to make sure that it's easy for you to swallow. So you make sure you dip into it and then straight into the mouth.
Swallow.
Exactly.
Wow. How about the meat? How do I
that
do
one, feel free to eat it how you want it.
Okay.
But for the fufu, make sure you use the season. And it looks clean when you're eating it that way. Because look at what you just did.
Correct.
At the beginning.
Correct.
It doesn't look good now. So but look at my food. See? Good. Now, one more time and let me see if you pass the test.
All right, here we go. Cut. Move it in the soup.
Good.
All right, nice. Appreciate that, Wode.
All right.
So, we had the soup the last time, but today we got the proper etiquette in how to do it. In that video, I did mention to you guys, it's good to observe what other people are doing, but honestly, I never picked up on that whole scissors technique, and I do not want to get slapped by any auntie. So I'm going to make sure I do it very good.
The guy waiting in the cocktail. He's asking, who are you? Who are you now? A lot of people are telling him they want to take picture with you.
The fish is really good. The fish is really good. Very good. It's nice and smoky. Do you want to try? No?
Don't want to try the fufu? Don't want to try the fufu?
No, I said the fish. Not the It's good.
Kind of remind me of salt mackerel.
Yeah.
Without being smoked.
That's it. I mean, you can take every food away from me, but not fufu. I started working out and they told me not to eat fufu. I'm like, no, I'm sorry. There's nothing you can do about that.
What do they want you to eat?
Because you know, like I wanted to have a 2-month challenge of taking my whole fat down, and they're like, oh, I'm staying from fufu for now.
Yeah.
I'm like, hell no.
So would you say that eating fufu is about like having a full stomach? Because if you don't chew, you don't taste.
If you don't chew, you don't taste. Fufu itself doesn't have taste. Yeah,
okay.
The taste comes from the soup.
From the soup, okay.
So that's why you need to make sure, like, you see how I'm dipping my, so that like I'll have the taste
from the soup. Got you.
So you go to Nigeria, food like this is called swallow.
Swallow?
Yeah. So for you to know that you don't have to chew it. They call it swallow. So fufu is called swallow in Nigeria. Like, it's like, swallow, you want swallow? That's me.
It makes a lot of sense.
Because I was wondering why people going there and posting pictures and stuff like that. But after coming here myself, I feel like the person who did it is really smart. You know, it's more like having that traditional way of eating.
Yeah.
You know, we don't see this anymore. But I remember growing up, this is how we used to eat.
Why do you think people are moving away from this format of eating?
I mean, like, it's one of the things that colonization actually did to Africans.
Yeah.
You know, so more like we see the things that we used to do those days that our ancestors used to do, but now we think it's not cool. You know, it's not cool. So that's why a lot of us are shifting away from those things.
Well, at least here, I see a lot more traditional ways of eating than possibly back home. I can't really think of any place back in Jamaica where I can say, okay.
Where you live in Jamaica.
Yeah. I mean, when I do cooking, like I will use a calabash bowl, and I think that's the closest I think I've come to. Like try to do it in a traditional way, you know?
Westernized. There's one thing I love about the Ashanti region, was when you go there, you still see more of your culture in there.
What's that bowl the guy just walked by with? No, that guy.
That's the calabash. That's why in the olden days they used to put water, drink, and all of that in it. You see, that's what I'm telling you. I saw all this because I don't remember the last time I saw this.
Yeah.
You want it to be, I only wanted to know 1 minute. What's 1 minute there? What is
Palm wine? Palm wine. Yeah. The good stuff.
You want to try it out?
I will.
Let me see.
For sure.
Or you want to take it to that place?
I'll take you to
Well, it's done.
Well, I'm sure.
It's good.
That would be good, you know. That's like a very good content. How alcohol is being made
Yeah.
in Ghana. So we actually ferment the palm wine.
You can definitely tell it's a goat.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Wode, can you cook?
Of course.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay.
But one thing about me is that I don't like eating fufu with soup and stuff outside.
Okay.
I love to eat homemade.
Homemade.
Like that's made by my mom, my sister, maybe, or myself and stuff, you know, because I enjoy eating at home more than eating outside. But if you see me eating outside, maybe I'm eating fried rice.
Different stuff.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite dish to make? Like what dish do you make that got your...
There's only one meal that I know how to cook. That's rice and stew, you know. You know, I can never go wrong with that. You know, so like, especially we travel a lot.
Yeah.
And then whenever you travel, at least just make yourself some rice and stew and eat and go your way.
Yeah, quick and
When
easy.
you travel with different food, you don't get used to it. So you eat what you know, and
Yeah,
that's it.
true.
But do you know how to cook, right?
Did he just ask me that?
Is that a reaction? Like, no, I need to make sure he doesn't lie.
Yeah. I don't cook very often, but yeah, I like to cook.
I love cooking. I love cooking.
That's kind of why I'm here, to experience like what flavors I'm getting. So there was one time I cooked okra stew with it was chicken, and I used substitutes that we have in Jamaica. But back then I never had red palm oil. I ordered it, but when I ate that, I was just like, yo, if mine tastes this good, I can imagine like here, you know, the flavors.
You have palm oil in Jamaica.
I had to order it from the US. I ordered it online to get it. Yeah.
So you guys don't have palm oil?
We don't have palm trees in Jamaica.
We have palm trees back home, but
So that's where you get a palm oil.
no one does it, as far as I'm concerned.
So then I have to bring somebody who does it to Jamaica.
No,
and the person
it's the ordinary palm.
Yeah,
Yeah, the same palm trees. Yeah.
yeah. We have those, but we don't have.
We use it for palm oil.
Yeah, man.
Same thing.
That's the same tree that uses the palm one.
Our place is also inside. So I told you it's way better to eat here.
Capo.
Capo.
Caco.
Yeah, they don't have capo here. Accra. You should get capo next time. Thank you.
Caco is a traditional meal. He laughs.
All right, guys, so we are getting ready to leave the Miensa. Let me tell you, I did not get to finish clearing my entire dish. Yo, like I was saying,
yeah? Did you finish the food though?
No, I was just telling them I did not.
So which means you have to go back because it's the inside. You didn't finish the food, yeah?
Yo, but let me tell you, it's been amazing. It also brings a lot of cultural awareness for myself. For example, in Ghana, make sure you only eat with the right hand. If you eat with the left, you're gonna get slapped. The next thing, use the scissors when you're cutting your fufu. That's super, super important.
I'm coming from a funeral.
Ah, all decked out.
Yeah.
Clean.
Full black, yeah?
Clean, clean, like a king, man. Yo, it's just so much to learn. But anyway, so we are gonna head off to another spot. This is gonna be a Jamaican place where a Jamaican lady owns this spot that Wode is gonna take me to. But Wode was saying he likes when I speak with a Jamaican accent. So what I'm gonna do for the next video, I'm going to talk to Wode completely in patois and see how much he understands, and also for yourself to see how much you understand. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Again, yo, check in the description box. Make sure you guys subscribe to Wode Maya's channel as well if you've never heard of him, which is next to impossible. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.
Everybody wants to do a picture.